If you're looking for a tasty dinner that's quick and easy, this barbecue chicken loaded nachos recipe will be on the table in 20 minutes. Start by removing the breast meat from the chicken. Coarsely shred the meat with 2 forks. Next, place the barbecue sauce and a little water in a bowl and whisk until well combined. Add the chicken and toss to coat. Take half the tortilla triangles and spread over the base of a large baking dish. Sprinkle with half the cheddar and top with half the chicken mixture. Drizzle over a little extra barbecue sauce. Keep layering with the remaining tortilla triangles, cheddar, and the remaining chicken mixture. Then sprinkle with half the cheese sachet from the salad kit. Pop in an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. While the nachos are cooking, place the salad in a large bowl. Add the dressing, toss gently to combine. To serve, arrange the salad over the nachos and sprinkle with remaining cheese from the salad kit. Dig in and enjoy this simple dinner packed full of smoky barbecue flavour.